Hello everyone, let us begin our conversation class with a new topic, that is our country. So let's get started. Now children, please look at this picture. Yes, we know very well that this is our school. Yes. Now children, tell me, in which place our school is? Yes, our school is in Chakda. Okay, we all know that, right? Now, where is Chakda? Can you tell me? Yes, our Chakda is in West Bengal state. Children, please look at this picture carefully. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is our country, India. Yes, children, this is our Indian map where we can find so many states. Children, can you tell me in which state do we live? Yes, we live in West Bengal. Yes, children, look at carefully this violet colored part. Yes, this is our state, West Bengal. Yes, it is in our country, India. Yes, children, this is the state where we live in. Okay, children? Yes, children, as like our school is in Chakda, in the same way, the state where we live in, that is West Bengal, and it is in the country India. Yes, children. So, India is our country. I repeat, India is our country. Okay, kids? Now, all my dear children, please listen to me carefully. Kids, this is our country's flag. Okay, children? Yes. This is the symbol of our country, India. Yes, children. It's our Indian flag. Yes, the name of our flag is Tiranga, as it has 3 colors. See? Yes, at the top we can see it's saffron color. No, kids? Yes. Then in the middle we can see white color, and at the last we can see green color. Yes, children. See, in the middle we can also see Ashoka Chakra in the middle. Can you tell me what is the color of this Ashoka Chakra? Yes, very good. It is in navy blue color. No, kids? Yes. So, all my dear children, this is our national flag. And you know, we must salute our national flag. Yes, children. So, all my dear kids, let's revise once. India is my country, and I love my country. Okay, kids? So, all my dear kids, please keep practicing. That's all for today. See you soon in our next class. Bye bye. Take care and thank you, everybody.